Fat, drunk, and stupid is no way to go through life, son.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Got to talking with Uncle Tony the other night on his live stream about not being able to get my car to idle. And this was the car in question here. I wasn't entirely sure, but I asked him. I was like, do you think there might be a reason why it doesn't want to idle? He said, well, you know, not having an engine would make it a little bit more difficult to set the idle, but that I should maybe build a cardboard engine, get that to idle. So maybe I'll do that. Sounds like fun. Cardboard engines. Why does this not have an engine? Why is it just sitting here with all this snow on it, looking forlorn? Well, it needs a lot of metal work, the suspension redone, and the electrical system shot. So I'll get to it. This will actually be kind of a quick build.
Bruh.
Once I get other stuff done, of course. Already got an engine, transmission waiting to go in it. Got to get the wiring harness and all that crap.
It's so fluffy!
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Well, I dug it out again. Excuse the shaking. There was a bunch of snow on it, kind of like that. This one's going to the No Name Nationals. It's got a little bit of work needs done.
That's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie.
Gonna have fun with this one. It's gonna get blown almost completely apart. Bunch of work done. It's gonna be fun. Good content. Oh yeah. But I gotta get rid of the snow. A little bit of snow. Snow sucks.
Do I look like I know what a JPEG is? I just want a picture of a goddamn hot dog.
There's today's project. These are kind of expensive, and I know a guy that needs a set. So I told him, maybe I'll see about making you a pair. This is how you make a pair. A little bit of foam, whole bunch of Gorilla Glue, and some of that screen door mesh. Right now I'm waiting on glue to dry. Lots of fun. I would show you how to do it all, but I got nobody to hold the camera. Now I get to wait for the glue to dry. I don't know why I have such a hard time saying dry. Anyway, those are going to be grills. That's going to look cool. It's going to go in his car because this car's beat. Actually, it's shot. Yeah, his car is completely friggin' shot. Got me some slack about this video because I got to put something up. And I got nothing to really show other than the grills that I'm making, and that takes a while. Although it did get up to 31 degrees today, so that's a plus. Check out these roads that I get to drive on every time I go into town. Most people would freak out, and I'm doing about 70. You don't want to live here.
I can fix it.